What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make Japanese hamburgers or hamburger, and then we're going to make my grandma's Japanese potato salad, which is my favorite. So the Japanese hamburger is kind of like a mini meatloaf, but it's super good. So I'll show you all how to make it. So we need ground beef, 1 egg, breadcrumbs or panko, mixed vegetables. These can be frozen, onion and green onion. And then this is the breadcrumbs that we're using. Just wanted to give you guys a feel, but they have a Trader Joe's brand you can find at any grocery store, but it's just Japanese style breadcrumbs. And then we're gonna use onion powder, garlic powder, black and white pepper. But if you don't have any of these, and salt. But we have Miss Dash, and this has everything that you need. So we're just going to use this. But yeah, if you don't have Mrs. Dash though, or what, like Dash flavorful seasoning blend, then you can just use these. Okay, so if you have longer nails like me, I think it's best that you just wear gloves so you don't get it underneath your nails because it's gross. Okay, so you can just jump in the ground beef. Okay, so then we're just gonna ground this ground beef. I just like to start squeezing it first. Okay. I'm gonna zenbu irete ii. Okay, so first put in your egg. Okay, so once we put in everything, we're just gonna start mixing it together and do it all like each at a time. April wasareta. Oh, I forgot to put in the seasoning, so we need to do that, Mom. Okay. And same thing, just really mix it in there. Wait, more so that. Okay, so now we're just gonna put this into a cleaner bowl so that when we get it, it looks a little more appetizing. And then yeah, you can just put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. So okay, so you can just put in the potatoes after you dice them, and then you're just put it in here for like maybe 15 minutes or until they get soft. You can keep the skin on because we can just peel them easier afterwards. Hey Mom. Hi. Okay, so the potatoes are done boiling, so we just turned it off, and then we're just gonna dump it. I have a drainer in the sink. Just dump it in here. I know. Okay, so we just dump the potatoes. Oh, this is it. Okay, so this is a little trick. So the skin is just peeling off super easily since we boiled it first. So that is a pro tip. Thanks, Mom. Mom. Hi. You got to do it when it's hot, but if it's too hot, just put like cold water on the side, so you don't like burn yourself. But you have to do it when it's hot. Easier. Okay, so we got our boiled potatoes, corn. This is just canned corn. Then we're using honey ham, cucumbers, 1 boiled egg, and then we're gonna use a Japanese mayo, and then salt and pepper. Okay, so we're going to mash these potatoes, but you don't want it to be like mashed potatoes. Like you kind of want it still chunky.
いいんちゃう?
Okay, so yeah, so this is like mashed, but it still, you know, has our chunks. Okay, so our potato.
で次キューピー入れちょっとだけソルト&ペッパー入れて
Okay, so this should be the consistency, and then you can just put some of this. いい?
でソルト&ペッパーは後で自分の好みでもうちょっと足したらええし
Okay, so if you want more pepper than this, then you can just add more after, like you taste it later. And we're gonna put Japanese mayo. I'm just gonna start with some, and then if I need to add more, I'll just add it just based on the texture. Okay, now egg.
Oh.
Now we're just gonna put in the cucumber, corn, and then ham. Mitsudashi. Guys, I'm so excited. This was my favorite thing that my Okachan used to make.
Obachan.
Yeah, but I call her Okachan. So, I guess Obachan is the right term, but we call her Okachan. But anyways, she would make this potato salad all the time, and I was obsessed with it, and I've been in the mood, so I'm making it today.
ちょっとスプーンでトライして、で足りへんかったらもう一回マヨネーズ足したら。
Okay. So the best part. Taste test to see if we need more mayonnaise or what.
Mm-hmm. You
definitely need more because you can kind of taste when it's like too much potato, but you need the mayonnaise to kind of, I don't really know how to explain it. Just when you taste it, you would just know. Wakaru.
So,
Mama wa sugi wa testo shara. So next I'm gonna have my mom taste it.
Spoon kireini aratte ya.
Wakateru. My mom just told me to make sure I clean the spoon after I have my mouth on it, and I just said, obviously. That does look really good. Okay, so still need more mayonnaise. And you have to use a Japanese mayonnaise for this. Like, American mayonnaise just is not...
Wait.
Wakateru. I'm trying to clean this. I don't know. Like, there's just a different taste between Japanese mayonnaise and American mayonnaise. Nanika wakaran kedo. Do you know, Mom?
Wakaran.
So no one knows. It just tastes...
もうちょっと卵の味が美味しいんかな。キューピーのマヨネーズ。でアメリカンのなんかもっとグリーシーみたいな感じ。
Yeah. American mayonnaise, I don't know.
美味しいけど、ドゥークマヨネーズ。
Yeah, Duke's is really good, but
チーズバーガーにしたら美味しいけど。ジャパニーズのマヨネーズはチーズバーガーにはあんまり美味しくない。
Yeah, you have to use like Japanese mayonnaise on like Japanese food, and then American mayonnaise on American.
グリーシーオングリーシ
ー。Hey, I think this is good.
もういいんちゃう。
I'm gonna get those and put it in the sink. What if we taste it together? Dirtying the dishes. Which okay. We didn't do it at the same time.
Okay.
It's so good. Okay, so the hamburger is done. Sitting. I'm just looking at me. And then we're just gonna fry it, so I'll take you guys to the stove. Okay, so we just need a little bit of olive oil.
Wait.
The pan's already hot on medium high. And turn down to medium. Okay, so just grab the, oops, the size, just put it in there. So they're kind of balled up, so I'm gonna push them so they get a little bit more flat. Just to get them the right shape.
De, そのままミディアムローで5分ぐらい置いてたら。
Okay, so then we're gonna cook this for medium low for about 5 minutes. Bunch.
いいね、それバンも後でなくなるから。ちっちゃいスプーンでしたら。でもうちょっとだけミディアムローからもうちょっとちっちゃくする。でもバンしてても大丈夫。
Okay, so it's fine if it looks a little bit burnt. It's not gonna taste burnt when you eat it.
Actually, I like that way anyway.
There you go, guys. Listen to mom. Yeah, the spoon is so much easier to flip. Yay! Okay, so we put about a quarter cup of water in here, and then added the hamburger after it's done cooking, and then now we're going to add some ketchup. Okay, yeah, so you just cover it all with ketchup.
これがお水とさっきのビーフブリオンでマッチして美味しいから。ミディアム、もうほとんどロー。
Okay, so just keep it on low and then just let the water, beef bouillon, I don't know if I've already mentioned that, but yeah, we added beef bouillon, like a half a cube, and then the ketchup, and then just let it simmer. Okay, so our meat or hamburgers are boiling, so just change this to medium low, and then just add the cover.
For like 20 minutes.
Okay, so this is done, and we're just going to flip these over to the other side. And then, I don't know, I think we might add some more sauce later, like some Japanese brown sauce. Honestly, not really sure, because usually this sauce is pretty thick. So I will get back with y'all, but this can just sit in here like that. Okay, so I asked my mom that it was still thin, so we're just gonna put some more ketchup and okonomiyaki sauce. Okay, so I like it thicker sauce, so we're just gonna turn this heat up. I'm just gonna do it on high and let it boil. And then it should be good to go. Okay, so they are ready. Okay, so everything just finished cooking and this is what it looks like. I made a little heart. Oops. I'm telling y'all, this is the best hamburgers we made. Mom, it's the best. Hi.